Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and look where I'm at again for the third time this week. I am at CVS, and guys, I'm at CVS because they are having some fire deals this week. Oh my God. And I wanted to break the deals up into several videos because I didn't want to make like an hour and a half, 2-hour video for you guys. So we're going to go in here. We're going to get some free stuff, some money makers. We're going to get some Flonase. And guys, you're going to be amazed at the deals that we have. So let's go ahead on in. Why don't you guys get your phones out so that you can do some screenshots of the video of the products that we're going to get. You're going to need your inserts because we are going to need get a coupon out of there. We're going to get the Compeed coupon, and you can fire your printer up because we're going to print off a coupon from the Flonase website. And make sure you get your CVS app out because we're going to clip some CRTs as well as some digital coupons. So guys, give me a thumbs up on this video. If there are any deals on here that you plan on doing, please let me know in the comments. Or if you've already done the deals, let me know how did it go for you, or is there a way that I could have done them better. So let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so the first deal we're going to do is on the Revlon deal, and the Revlon promotion is buy 2 items and you get $5 in extra bucks. Now I know everyone's been doing like the mascara, the lipstick, the eye pencils, but I wanted to give you guys a different scenario just in case all of your Ibotta rebates were used up or your store was out of those other products. So this is something different. So it'll give you a different product for your stockpile, and also a different product just in case you're doing like a beauty basket or anything like that, and another option just in case your store is out of those products. So what you're going to grab is you're going to grab these Revlon emery boards. Now at my store they're $3.39. Someone else told me at their store they were $3.49. So remember, every store is going to differ with a couple cents here and there, but my store is $3.39. I'm going to round this up to $3.40. So that'd be $6.80 that I'm going to pay at the register because I'm going to grab 2 of them. But then remember, we're going to get $5 in extra bucks back, so that would just be $1.80 out of our pocket. So just another option for you with the Revlon deal. And remember, you can do the Revlon deal 6 times. So we're going to move on to our next deal. All right guys, so we're at our next deal, and our next deal is on the Flonase. I mean, you can do some other products because what the deal is spend $15 on select Flonase, Sensimist, and any Nicorette or Nicoderm product, but I'm choosing to do the Flonase. Now there are a couple there's a couple products that are included, so you know you just have to spend 15. But I'm choosing to get the 120 meter spray, and that is for $27.49. And let me tell you the reason why I'm going to get this one. Because you're going to go to the Flonase website and you're going to print off this $5 coupon. And as you can see, the coupon is only valid on 120 count or larger. So we're going to use that $5. That's going to take that down to $22.49, right? But then we have some CRTs that we're going to use. So we're going to use the 3 off of 18 allergy relief. We're going to use the $5 off app only coupon and the $3 off app only coupon. So when you add all of those up, that is $16 that we're going to take off of this $27.49. So that's going to bring us down to $11.49. But then we're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. So that's going to bring the total cost down to this to $6.49. I'd say that's an excellent price for this Flonase. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it, and I hope that they come up with this deal again next week and give me some more CRTs, because every time they come up with this deal, I will definitely get it, because that's like over $21 off of Flonase. All right, guys, so our next deal is actually an unadvertised deal, so you won't see it in the circular and you won't see it in the app, but you will see it online. And basically what it is when you spend is buy 2 of different foot care and products made by Compeed, you get a $5 extra buck. So this right here, guys, is actually a great deal, because you're going to grab 2 of these, and which is, and my store only has 2, but there's all different kinds, but my store only has 2 kinds, so it's not hard for me to choose from. But they're $10.49 a piece. So you're going to go and look through your circulars and find any Compeed coupons that you can find, because they don't expire. Okay, so these are $10.49 each. I'm going to use a $4 coupon. Actually, I'm going to use 2 $4 coupons, and this is what they look like. They're in a couple different inserts that have come out since like February, so choose whichever you want. So that's going to bring each one of these down to $6.49, right? So let's round that up, so that's $13. I'm going to submit each one of these to Ibotta. There are $5 rebates for each one of these on Ibotta, so that's $10. So then that's going to bring our out-of-pocket to $3, right? But remember, we're getting $5 back in extra bucks, so that means this is going to be a $2 moneymaker. Guys, excellent deal. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab one of these, put it in the cart, and put my coupons down there, and we're going to move to our next deal. All right, guys, so our next deal is going to be on a Colgate deal. So there are paper coupons out there that just came out in the inserts. I think they're for $1 off the product, but don't use those. You want to use the coupons that are in the app. And what the deal is when you purchase 2 Colgate products, you're going to get a $5 extra buck. So this is basically going to be like a 2-cent money maker. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab 1 Colgate mouthwash and 1 Colgate toothpaste. Now guys, be careful, because there's so many deals going on with toothpaste and with mouthwash. I want you to make sure that you get the right ones. So you want to get the ones that are on sale for $4.49. And you see it's buy 2 select mouthwash or menu toothbrushes, but it's the toothpaste too, and you get $5 in extra bucks. So at my store, it's the enamel strength and the 12-hour total protection. I'm going to grab the enamel strength, and you see that is tagged at $4.49. And then you're going to go into your CVS app and you're going to clip the $2 coupon. So that's going to bring that down to $2.49. Okay, so now we're going to move down and we're going to grab a thing of, no, we're going to grab a toothbrush. I'm sorry. It is the toothbrushes. It's not the toothpaste. That's why I said you have to be careful, guys, and make sure that you're getting the right deal, because I'll screw it up in a minute. So that's why I always have to double check. Okay, guys, so here are the toothbrushes. So you can see there's plenty to choose from. But remember, they have to be the $4.49 ones. And you're going to clip the $2 digital coupon out of the CVS app. So that's going to bring this down to $2.49. So when we put these together, the mouthwash and the toothpaste, that means that at the register, we're going to pay $4.98, but guess what? We're getting a $5 extra buck back. So that means this is going to be a $2 money maker. So let's head up to the register, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm at the register. So I'm going to give her everything to ring up. I'm not going to roll my extra bucks. I'm just going to do everything at one time because I would normally get back $20 in extra bucks with this transaction. So I'm going to actually use $20 in extra bucks. So there are all of my items that she's ringing up. And now I'm going to give her the 2 Compeed coupons. You see my total $66.41. That's before coupons and before CRTs. I'm going to give her the $5 in coupon for the Flonase. And then once she hits enter, all of my CRTs and all of that's going to come off. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car, and I turned off the camera at the register because we were having a hard time getting some of the CRTs to attach, which were the ones attaching for the Flonase. So I'm not sure if there's something wrong with the system or not. Right now, I spoke with one of the managers because he's the one that printed out my extra bucks, and he believes that there's something wrong with the system right now too, that things aren't attaching, because he also had to print out some extra bucks for my Colgate deal and for the Compeed deal. So actually, my total was $28.17, and I used $21 in extra bucks, but it should have been minus $11 because of the CRTs that should have attached for the Flonase. So what he did is he actually printed me the $11 for the Flonase. So that's fine. So if you're going to do the deal exactly like I did and you have all the CRTs and everything, your total then would, out of pocket, would only be like like $16 and some change. Okay, so then you're going to take, so we have the $16 and change. So let me go over the receipt though. So there's the Colgate, the 2 Revlon deals, the Flonase, the other Colgate, and the 2 Compeeds. There's my 2 Colgate coupons. There's my 2 $4 Compeed coupons. The $5 coupon is for the Flonase, and then I used $21.56 in extra bucks. And then here are my extra bucks that printed off. I got the $5 for the Revlon, the $5 for the Flonase, and then the Colgate ones did not print out, so he had to print that for me. And then the Compeed didn't print out, so he had to print that one for me. So that's why I say there must be something wrong with the system, and that's why the manager agreed, totally agreed with me. So we're actually going to say that we have $16, just say $16 and $17.11 out of pocket. But then remember, we submitted our receipt to Ibotta, and then we got back another $10 from Ibotta. So actually, if you round it up, it's a $7 out of pocket. So guys, this is an excellent deal for everything that we got. So go ahead, head on out to CVS. So that is everything that we got. We got the mouthwash, the toothpaste, the 2 Revlon packs of emery boards, the Flonase, and the 2 Compeeds. Excellent, excellent deal, guys. Head on out to CVS. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to download Ibotta. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with all your friends and family. Until the next time, keep on saving.